In this demo, we are going to look at the healthcare data ingestion of multiple file formats. File storage as the source can handle multiple source data format, target database, and pipeline ODS. We'll set up both Postgres connection and the S3 connection. In the ODS pipeline, Step 1. Select the source and target connections. Step 2. Choose the objects. We can use the download and upload options to handle large numbers of objects easily. Here we can see various file formats. Step 3. Specify the file type. Step 4. DataFins then reads all columns and automatically creates the target table in Postgres. We can take a look at the Postgres DDL. Postgres tables. Once the pipeline is run, data is synced from source to target. We can also use the DataFins scheduler to automate this process.